Are you tired of trying to unify data from multiple systems for one single view to get insights into your business? Lateetud can help. Our industry data model enables automation, real-time, context-aware, actionable insights, and integrated governance and compliance. Let data drive your digital transformation. With Lateetud, you can create a shared data language to enable business and analytical applications. Avoid data duplication and deliver the ability to create applications on the same set of data. Ensure structural and semantic consistency across applications and deployments. Our data architects and consultants will deliver a unified common data model with extensible data schemas. Create a set of standardized, industry-specific data schemas with entities, attributes, semantic metadata, and relationships. Improve your data quality by creating one single copy of data to ensure quality is maintained across applications. Scale to handle volume and complexity using the cloud. Extend workflows to handle any business scenario. Consolidate and integrate disparate organizations to build common applications. Leverage apps built by third parties or vendors on the common data model or standard industry data model. Don't let your data hold you back. Let Lateetud help you drive your digital transformation.